What do you think if we start talking a little bit about the Smart Factory Print 4.0?
Awesome. Let's switch to this one. Let's talk about this one.
Because we know the industry is modernizing, right?
Yes.
It's getting faster, requirements from your customers are increasing.
Exact.
And we can help to automate processes to get to it.
Exact. Because this is what we have to do, right? You have to automate your processes to keep up with this. And here we can help with a lot of tools, and one of these tools is our product matrix at the beginning of the journey, right?
Exactly, which gives your customers the possibility for individual configurations. And we can even take the customers by the hand, right?
Exactly.
So let's jump into the topic of our product matrix.
Exact. So with our product matrix, we make it easy for everyone to configure products without having knowledge in the printing industry. So it's not possible anymore to make any mistakes because you can define rules.
So you can take care of the customer, right? You can take them by the hand, so every configuration always fits perfectly, which also helps you again to always get the perfect order.
Absolute. And one example here are our selection and deny rules. So no matter how complex the product is, with easy steps, you can define rules so that the product cannot be configured in a wrong configuration.
So you can not only provide configuration possibilities, you can define what kind of combination is possible or also what is not possible. To make sure it's always perfect producible.
Absolute. So no need for you to, once you have the order, to contact the customer. And the same also for the price calculation. We can automate the price calculation so that you get, based on business standards,
the perfect price, right? The perfect sales price. So it's based on the production costs, as well as the paper or the price for colors. So everything can be included in the calculation, and it's fully flexible, right?
Exact. You can adjust it to your needs. You are completely free here, and the same also works for the production days and time.
So you can define for every option how much time it takes to be produced. If it's longer, if it's shorter, and you can even adjust holidays, right? Where you can't produce.
Absolute. So no need for the customer anymore to contact you and ask, hey, if I use this and this, how long does it take? They see it live on the product page.
So you get in the matrix the perfect configuration. You get the perfect sales price because the dynamic calculation calculates it. But we don't stop at the web to print part, right?
Absolutely.
We include the full system.
Exact. So the payment is included here, the production data in the hot folder is included, and we can even take one more step here because,
what happens after the order, right?
Exact.
And it occurs that there are slightly issues in the PDF, right? And usually you need to do the pre-press and fix those.
Exact.
But we can automate this process fully in our software.
So it can be automated, be sent into pre-press, it can be fixed, it can be sent back to the customer, getting approved, and then sent to the production methods.
Exactly. And our production methods, they allow you to spread the production however you want. Which helps you to increase the amount of products you can sell. Because even if there is something you can't do in-house, you simply connect to your partner and they help you out here, right?
So it's a one-time setup to define the rules for this, and then for everything it will be sent automated to wherever you need it, so that you don't have to do it anymore for every order.
So this is how you can easily modernize the business in-house as well as online, right?
Exact.